One of the key features the Vivid POS system offers is modifiers. This is a great tool to use when ordering something like pizza. Pizzas come in so many different options and so many different toppings that it can get to be confusing when placing your order and sending the ticket to the kitchen. Our system makes it very easy to understand and read and order a pie with many different toppings. An example I'll show is the Hawaiian Special. This pie automatically comes with pineapple and ham already as toppings with a $0 extra charge. Now we can add any of these other toppings to our ticket to be put on the whole pie or the left side or the right side. If we decide to put green peppers and pepperoni on the left and onions and mushrooms on the right, we'll see very clearly here that we have some toppings as a whole, some toppings on the right, and some toppings on the left, all being charged with half price for half side of the pie. Now, if we choose onions on the left side and also on the right side, the system will automatically make this a whole topping and choose $1. We also have on this option the pizza crust being a forced modifier. That means we have to choose a crust in order to move on. In this instance, we'll choose regular. You can see that that button went from a red number 1 to a green number 1, indicating that we are ready to move on. Once we hit done, we can see this order very specifically broken down on our ticket. This is exactly the same way the kitchen will read this ticket, making it very easy for them to make this pie just the way the customer would like.